the peace and security of a nation is what underpins any development in a nation. And therefore, the stability of Kenya is paramount. Just because of the problems we had last year, our taxes, which normally grow at, on average, 6, 7, 8, 9%, for half of the year last year, it was growing at 4%. It is just from January this year that it went to 8, 9, and now we are at almost 10%. So instability destroys a nation. And that is why this broad-based government is God-sent. It is what we need to move Kenya forward. Because some of the decisions we are making are so difficult. For example, we would not have done the leasing of our sugar mills, something we have been trying since I was Minister for Higher Education, since I was Minister for Agriculture in 2009. But it became possible because of broad-based. Because there is nobody now to go and, the characters who try to go and look for Baba to tell them, oh, you see, there is a problem. Baba told them, no, 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 no. Because we did it together. This year, we are at 90 billion. I am sure next year, we will be at 120 billion. In 5 years, we will be getting as much money from sugar as we are getting from tea. And part of the reason why we have poverty in some areas is because if the cash crops that are supposed to be putting money in people's pockets are underperforming, then you end up with many people engaging in an enterprise that is not putting money in their pockets. It is the reason why sugarcane must put money in people's pocket, cotton, rice, and that's the reason why we are saying coffee, you know, so that we engage people in meaningful agriculture that is going to, James, you are right that we need to sort out agriculture so that we sort out the economy at the base. So that is important for us, and that is why I am saying this broad-based government is God-sent. It is the right thing. It is the instrument that is going to give us the political goodwill to carry some of the most transformative decisions